In this video, I want to show you how to load paper in your HP SmartTank 6001 printer. So let's get started. The paper input in this printer is located down below. Simply stick your finger over here and pull on this drawer. You're going to notice there is this blue clip over here. If you press on it, you can move these guides. If you're going to print on US letter size like I do, make sure these guides are all the way on the extremities. If you're going to print on envelope in the future, you can always align them so that the envelope goes in between them, bring them closer depending on the size of your envelope or your photo paper. Okay, perfect. Now I will take my stack of paper and I simply have to guide it just like that, okay, until it reach the limit over there. Then push the drawer. Now if it's the first time you're using this printer, a page will be printed. Simply extend the paper output and wait for it to come out. This is an alignment page. Take it out, open the scan lid, place the page facing down, just like that, you see, with the printer image over here. And now align this corner of your paper with this corner of the scanner. So bring them until both are touching. Then you can close the scan lid. And it's time to press this button over here that is blinking. The printer will scan and will align the print heads. After the printer is done scanning, you can remove and discard this page. You won't need it anymore. And now the printer is ready to be paired with your smartphone, computer, or Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.